Hey guys, so my internet friend sent me some of the fidgets that she is selling. She sells fidgets and she also sells squishmallows. If you want to buy from her, the link is in my bio. She also included this extras bag with 2 mochis and a pea popper. First is this orange poppet. Ooh, it has a nice popping sound. And the other side. Such a good poppet. This cactus one is so good too. And the iconic crab poppet. The last poppet is this blue octagon. Whoa. I definitely recommend her poppets. The next fidget is a wacky track, and I love these because you can turn them into a DIY snapper. Super fun. And she also included a pop tube. The last thing is this marble mesh. Link in bio to purchase from her. Oh my gosh, my fidget package came. Thank you so much, Bubble Fidgets, for sending me a poppet to review. Let's open the package. Oh my gosh, this color combination is so pretty. Bubble Fidgets is actually an Amazon seller, and I order from Amazon literally all the time. So if you want to get a really nice quality poppet, the link will be in my bio. It came with this small card. Now let's pop it. Now let's try the other side. Just from feeling this poppet, it feels really high quality. It's so easy to pop on both sides. I also would like to mention that they have a lot of other colors on their website. This one was just my personal favorite. Again, the link to get one of these amazing poppets will be in my bio. Bye! A lot of people have been asking me where I got this giant rainbow poppet. I actually got this from Total Fidget Toys, and if you guys would like to purchase one, the link will be in my bio. It's such a nice poppet, and I absolutely love it. And they were so kind and sent me another rainbow poppet to give to one of you guys. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video to figure out how to win this giant rainbow poppet and some other fidgets. One of my other favorite things about this poppet is how big it is. And I was not expecting this, but they also sent me 2 more poppets. Let's open the mini red one first. I have been playing with this poppet literally all day. This is my new favorite mini poppet. It's such good quality. They have 2 types of mini poppets on their website. They have more expensive mini poppets, but these ones are much better quality. And they have really cheap mini poppets, but these ones are thinner. Lastly, I'm going to open this heart poppet. This side is definitely harder. Link in bio. Come back tomorrow to see how the ice turns out. Hey guys, so it's been about 24 hours, so let's go check on the poppet. And of course, it turned into ice. It might be a little hard to get all the ice out, but let's try. It's so cold. Now that I'm inside, let's attempt to pop the ice out of the poppet. Oh wow. They're like giant sticks of ice. Whoa. Well, those fell. So instead of coming out one at a time, there's just giant sticks of ice. Even though I've made ice out of a poppet before, I still think the ice looks so cool. And the poppet is very wet, but it still works. Bye! Okay, it's in. Now let's close it and I'll update you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so it's officially the next day, so let's go check on the poppet. Oh my gosh, it froze. Whoa, look at that. This was my first time making ice out of a poppet, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. Now let's bring it inside. So I have a bowl with me, so let's take the ice out. Oh wow. Oh my, that's so cool. You can't really tell on camera, but the poppet is very wet, but look at all the ice. The ice actually looks so cool. If somebody really wanted to, they could probably use these as mini ice cubes. Poppet still works. Cool Fun Fidgets on TikTok sent me some fidgets that they sell in their Etsy shop. The link to their shop is in my bio and their TikTok is in the caption. Oh my goodness, look at all of these amazing fidgets. Everything in their shop is less than $10, and I think that these candies are extras. First thing is this Pop-It, and it's supposed to glow in the dark. This is so cool. Look how bright it glows. And it pops really good. I definitely recommend this Pop-It. The next thing is this yellow Orbeez stress ball. Orbeez stress balls are one of my top favorite fidgets, and I love this. It's so fun to squeeze. The colors on this triple dimple are immaculate. So good. They also sent me a pink marble mesh and 2 mochis. These are only 49 cents each on her Etsy shop. The link to their Etsy shop is in my bio. Bye! Hey guys! Fidget's World store sent me 2 of the fidgets that they sell on their website. If you guys would like to purchase from them, use the discount code SHARFidgets15. They sell a lot of cheap fidgets on their website, so I would definitely recommend you checking them out. Link in bio. Let's start off with this black snapper. Lately, I've been obsessed with snappers, and this one is so nice. I love this solid black color. And the second thing they sent me, marble mesh. These colors are so pretty. Marble mesh are so fun to play with. And you can get a 5-pack of marble mesh for only $8.99 on their website. Fidget's World store also sells a lot of other fidgets, so make sure to go check the link in my bio. That's all. Bye! Hey guys! I really want to go live for you guys, but I'm actually banned on this account. So if you could follow my new live account that I just made, it'll be tagged in the caption. And once I hit 1,000 followers on there, I'll go live for you guys. I'm also going to be posting some more fidget videos on that account, so if you guys want to see more content from me, then it would be great if you could follow. Thank you so much to everybody who follows. Bye! Hi guys! Dream Savings on Mercari sent me a Pop-It to review for you guys. I will also tag their account in the caption below. And if you want to check out their Pop-Its and other things they're selling, the link will be in my bio. This is everything that came inside. And when you do order from them, they will give you extras just like these. We have these really cute stickers. And the squishy. The Pop-Its they sell are all sanitized and are $6 each. And shipping is $3 no matter where you live in the United States. So let's test out the Pop-It. That was the loud side, so here's the quiet side. Oh, it's actually pretty loud. Overall, I would definitely recommend checking out their Pop-Its. Their prices are very cheap and they include extras. Link in bio to purchase. Hi guys! As some of y'all may know, my giveaway ended yesterday and I did pick the winners. I picked the second place winner first, which was comment number 542. So the second place winner was _Sarah Leisure _ congratulations. And the first place winner was comment number 419. So congratulations to ASMR _slime _fidget for winning first place in my giveaway. And thank you to everybody who entered. My next giveaway will be at either 900K or 1 million if I ever get there. And wherever